How to fix Arc Raiders voice chat not working. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to fix the voice chat not working in Arc Raiders. If your mic isn't being detected or your friends can't hear you in-game, don't worry. Just follow these simple steps, and we'll get it working again. Let's jump right in. First, we need to make sure Windows is actually letting your mic work. Press Windows plus I to open your settings. On the left panel, select Privacy and Security. Scroll down and click on Microphone under App Permissions. Now, make sure these three options are turned on. Microphone access. Let apps access your microphone. Let desktop apps access your microphone. Perfect! That gives Windows and your games permission to use your mic. Next, let's make sure your microphone is set as the default input. Go to the search bar and type Control Panel, then open it. Click Hardware and Sound, then select Sound. At the top, go to the Recording tab. You'll see a list of available microphones. Right-click on the one you want to use. Then click Set Default and also choose Set as Default Communication Device. Hit OK to save and close the window. That ensures your computer always uses the correct mic for both system and game chat. Now, open Arc Raiders and head into your audio or voice chat settings. Make sure the input device is set to the same microphone you just configured. Once that's done, test it out in-game. Try speaking to see if your teammates can hear you. And there you go. Your Arc Raiders voice chat should be working perfectly now. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more quick fixes, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you.